Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're still going through the Blackheath High School past paper. So let's get straight into it and go through the rest of these questions. So here for this next question, we need to draw on our understanding of mean, median, mode, range, all these things here. Because we're told that a ticket inspector counted how many passengers there were in each carriage of a train. And these are the results. What's the average? Okay, so how do we work out, and we have to show our working as well. So how do we work this out? The average, the mean of the number of passengers. Well, we simply take the total number and we divide it by how many numbers there are. So total over number. So if we do this and we start with the total, let's add up all these numbers. So we have 5, we have 24, 37, 45, 36, 39, 22, 16. So let's not make any silly mistakes. We should be able to get this right. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 7 is 16, plus 5 is 21, 21 plus 6 is 27, plus 9 is 36, plus 2 is 38, plus 6 is 44. And then 6, 9, 13, 16, 19, 21, 22. So 224 is our total. And then how many numbers are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers or 8 carriages. So now if we take 224 and we divide it by 8, it will give us the average number of passengers for every single carriage. So let's do this division. 224 divided by 8, or 8 goes into 22, 2 times wholly, 16. Giving us 6 left over. And then 8 into 64 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64, right? So 28 is our mean number of passengers per carriage. And then for the range, it's quite simple because all we're doing is taking the biggest number and subtracting the smallest number. So let's identify those numbers. The biggest looks like it's 45, and the smallest looks like it's 5. So 45 minus 5 gives us what? 40. So 40 is our range. And now for part C, we have she worked out that the median number of passengers was 30. Show what working she used to get this answer. So we need to understand how to work out the median. And the main thing with the median that most people get wrong, the number one silly mistake, is forgetting to order the numbers. We have to order the numbers. So let's do that and try and get it right. 5. Next is 16. Next will be 22, then 24. What's next? It's going to be 36, 37, 39. And finally, we have 45. Okay. So now that we've ordered the numbers, we can cancel them out from each side to try and find the middle number. That's what median means, the middle number. Okay, so now the middle numbers we have are 24 and 36. So we want to find the middle of 24 and 36, which we can do by adding these two numbers together and then dividing by 2. So 24 plus 36 is going to be what? Well, 20 plus 30 is 50. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. So 60 divided by 2 is 30, which is why the median is 30. That's her working out. Okay, so now we have some shape reflection questions. So we have this shape here. and we're going to reflect this in this mirror line. So best way to do this is to do it point by point. So here it's 1 away, so we put 1 away here. Same thing here, 1 away, and then 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, clean it up and join up these points, and we should get the reflected shape. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then to get it completely correct, the line should be also going away from the mirror line, away from the mirror line. So like this. This is the correct reflection of this shape. And same thing here for part 2. But now we have a slanted mirror line, so we have to be very careful. Well, we know we can simply go across like this, put our first point here. But then for this point here, it's 1, 2, 3 from the mirror line. But because we're slanted, we're not going to go this way. We're going to go downwards. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 from the mirror line. Same thing here. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4 from the mirror line, we're not going in the same direction. We're going this way, towards, inwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And if you're struggling with that, in the exam, there's no rule that says you can't simply turn your page. If you can visualize these things better when you have a vertical mirror line, then simply rotate your page in the exam or rotate the paper, and then you have the vertical line, the vertical mirror line, and simply map across each one of the points and you'll get the right answer. Join these up, and here is our reflected triangle, and then let's make it completely correct by adding in the lines. So here is our answer. Okay, so that is all for today. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you're the first to know when the next video is released. And on that note, I will see you all next time.